Hey guys, it's Annabelle, and today I'm going to show you how to make an ornament. So first, now that you're in your house, I want you to get this and we're going to open it all together. Let's dump it out. You should have a bag like this, and then we're just going to open it to the side where right here. We're just going to open it. Out. And then you should have all of these materials. Now that you opened the bag, here's some materials that you opened. Right here are all the paper materials. Right here is the glitter. And right here is the string. We're also going to need some materials from your house, like Elmer's glue. Now that we're all set, let me show you what we're making. We're making a beautiful ornament that has this deer. It's so pretty, right? I know it looks really hard, but don't worry. I break it down for you so it can be really easy for you. Here's the order that we're going to do. We're going to do gold, clear, some white ones to make the link so we can add the glitter. We got a reindeer, a tree, and some snow. Now, these are the two that we're going to start off first. You're going to flip over the gold and then grab the clear. You're going to put the glue. Now you're going to put the clear on here from top to bottom. Now we're going to let this dry, so we're going to put it to the side. And remember, do not touch the clear part because that's going to make it really dirty, and we're going to set it aside so it can dry. Now we got to glue all of these 6 white pieces together. Now this is going to be really a long time, so take your time. So now that we glue all 6 pieces together, now we're going to do the background. We're going to grab my white, the blue, the green, and the silver. And we're going to glue all of these in this order. Now that we have all of them glued together, we're going to grab the white and put it on. Now do you see how many layers? That's going to help put the glitter in and stay there. Now that we have these glued together, remember to make like this kind of movement so the pressure is on and then it's going to stay there forever. So then the glitter won't come out. Now, talking about glitter, let's do this. We're going to make sure that every single glitter is on the bottom mixed together. And remember, we don't want any glitter on the outer side. We just want it on the inside, like this. And if there's some on the outer, just don't forget to just swipe it into the middle. It's really simple. Now, you're going to grab your clear thing and you're going to put it on carefully. When I mean carefully, I mean it. Because if you don't do it right, your ornament might fall out. And we don't want that to happen. And then remember to do some pressure on it, just like last time when we did the white. And there you go, you got it. Just remember to do the pressure, and now that we have finished all the other steps, we're going to put this lace around this little hole. Now that you put it in, we're just going to do a knot, just to make sure it doesn't fall out. And now it's ready to hang on the tree. Just remember, when you're going to hang it on the tree, just make a knot on the top, and then you're all set. Now that you are all set, remember to do any pause points at all, because some steps I skip from the video, so then you guys have some time to pause and then just do it. And just remember, have fun with your ornament. Bye!